Are you looking for the best Chinese drones under $600? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones under $600 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic Original ATOM 2 Drone. In the world of aerial photography and videography, the right drone can make all the difference. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting to explore the skies, the Potensic Original ATOM 2 drone is a powerful and versatile companion that brings professional-grade performance to your fingertips. Designed for adults who are passionate about capturing stunning visuals, this drone is packed with cutting-edge features that elevate your creative possibilities to new heights. The Potensic Original ATOM 2 drone is a marvel of engineering, combining a sleek, compact design with advanced technology. Its lightweight yet durable build makes it easy to carry and operate, while the intuitive interface ensures a smooth and enjoyable flying experience. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, dynamic action shots, or cinematic videos, the ATOM 2 is built to deliver. One of the standout features of the Potensic Original ATOM 2 drone is its ability to capture ultra-high-definition content. With support for 4K video recording, you can produce sharp, vivid footage that brings your aerial shots to life. Whether you're filming a sunrise over the mountains or a bustling city skyline, the clarity and detail are simply unmatched. The drone also supports 8K photo resolution, allowing you to take incredibly detailed stills from the air. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, the ability to capture such high-resolution images opens up a world of creative possibilities. From nature photography to real estate listings, the ATOM 2 ensures that every shot is crisp, clear, and full of life. Number 2. FIMI X8 Tele Max Drone. Capture cinematic footage with the FIMI's 4K 60 frames per second dual camera, ensuring smooth and vivid video. Stay on course with GPS, and enjoy extended flights with the FIMI's impressive flight time capabilities. Experience extended flight with the FIMI X8 Tele Max Drone, boasting a 20 km range for expansive aerial exploration. Elevate your shots with a 3-axis gimbal and AI night vision, delivering steady imagery in low light. Reliable and efficient, the brushless motor powers the FIMI through the skies with ease. Number 3. AE30 Drone with 8K Camera. Fly indoors or out, thanks to the AE30 drone's versatility, perfect for any flying scenario. Experience seamless control with the touchscreen FPV and enjoy the durability of brushless motors. The AE30 drone's foldable structure makes it compact and easy to carry, ideal for on-the-go adventures. Navigate effortlessly with GPS and enjoy the convenience of auto-return, making your drone flight safer. Capture stunning 8K footage with the drone's advanced 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth video even in flight.